So friends, if you have updated your Mac to macOS Tahoe or macOS 26 and if you're wondering how to set screensaver on your Mac, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now first I'm going to show you how to use system wallpapers as screensaver, and after that I'm going to show you that if you have other images in your Mac, then how to use those images as screensaver. So let's start with the first thing. To set a screensaver, you just have to go to system settings, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Now once you select system settings, all you have to do is just simply go to wallpaper and then on the right hand side select screensaver option. You will get a pop-up screen like this. The first option is start screensaver. Currently it is set to never. So select the drop down and you have to choose a specific time over here. So if I select after 1 minute, then it means that after 1 minute of inactivity, the screensaver will pop up. So you can choose whichever time you want. After selecting the time, next option is use screensaver. Now currently it is set to automatic, which is why it is using my wallpaper as screensaver. So if you want to check it out, you can just simply tap on preview and this is how the screensaver will look like. To go back, you can press escape or you can just move the pointer. It will take you back to the page. If you want to use other image or other wallpaper as screensaver, then in that case, you need to select custom option. So as soon as you select custom, you get multiple options to choose from. These are nothing but the system wallpapers which are already available in your Mac. So you can choose whichever wallpaper you want. For now, I'm going to select Tahoe Day. So if I select it, you can see the screensaver is changed. And if I tap on preview, this is how it looks like. Again, to go back, press escape. So this is the first thing. This is how you can use system wallpapers as screensaver. Next thing is, if you want to use other images which are downloaded from internet, or if you already have them in your Mac like this, how to use these images as screensaver. So simply make a folder of those images which you want to use as screensaver. I have basically made 2 folders. In this particular folder, I have kept only 1 image, and in the other folder, you can see I have 3 images. Why is that? I'll tell you in a moment. So to choose other images as a screensaver, just simply go down and look for photos. So once you select photos down here, you get a new photos option, and currently you can see colors are being used as screensaver. So these are solid colors. If you want to use a particular image, then in front of photos, you get an option of options. So select options and select this drop down and select choose folder. So remember earlier I told you that I have already made folders for that. So if you have created folders with the images you want to use as screensaver, you can select those folders from here. So tap on choose folder option and then just simply go to that destination, select that particular folder and tap on choose. Now the next option is shuffle slide order. So if your folder contains only 1 image, it doesn't matter if you check this or uncheck this box, still the image will be used as screensaver. So if I tap on OK, you can see this is the image I am using as screensaver. Now, if you want to use multiple images as your screensaver, then in that case, again go to option, select this drop down, tap on choose folder, and this time select a folder which has multiple images. So I'm going to select this particular folder which has 3 items or 3 images. If I tap on choose over here, this time to shuffle between the photos, you need to make sure that this box is checked. So if I tap on OK and if I tap on preview, now you can see this is how the screensaver will look like. After some time, it will shuffle between the photos which are there in that particular folder. Now there is one more thing. If you want to change style, you have that option as well. Currently it is set to Ken Burns. So if you select the drop down, you get multiple options. So either you can select floating. In floating, how the screensaver will look like, you can check out a basic preview over here. You can choose different style like reflections. In reflection, this is how it will appear. So if I tap on preview, you can see this is how the screensaver will look like. You can choose multiple styles over here. If I select vintage prints, you can see how the screensaver is looking. So if I tap on preview once again, all the images which are in that particular folder will appear like this. So yeah, these are some different methods and different ways to set screensaver in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.